Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has broken below the impulsive support level, the micro support that was down here actually. The micro support here yesterday that we talked about, which means that the move to the upside is not impulsive, which raises the question whether this is just a B-wave rally and we get another test of support, like for example Bitcoin's, let's say, short-term bearish count would allow as well in a larger wave 2 correction. Yeah, let's talk about that. Ethereum obviously still weaker than Bitcoin, even though we see a potential first reaction on the ETH BTC chart. Very, very important. Yeah, so the ETH BTC chart, I shared that earlier today in the Bitcoin video. You might want to check it out. The ETH BTC chart allows or tells us that that Ethereum might start to reverse here and might start to outperform Bitcoin. Now, it's a little bit too early to confirm that, and I'm skeptical, absolutely skeptical about it, because Ether hasn't shown enough yet, but just want to mention it. Important, I think, is just to understand we have a wave pattern that is still allowing for bullish trend continuation here. So we have a correction that could have completed on Friday the 5th in a wave 4, okay? Or the correction is sort of completing in this area, and the wave 4 is a triangle pattern. So the triangle is A, B, C, D, E, and it might give us another test of support. Shouldn't ideally break below 2,956, and then we should go higher from there. Or, as I said, it's possible a wave 4 bottomed here on the 5th of July, and then we have a 1-2 setup, which also might test the support area again, and we go higher. As I said, it doesn't really matter which one it is in the short term. Important is to understand what's going on here, and certainly Ethereum was not able to rally in an impulse and failed here, but is still holding. I would say can you draw a trend line here? Yeah, we can draw a trend line. So it's holding that kind of trend line. A break below the trend line could be an indication that wave C to the downside is unfolding. Now that might be wave C in a still unfolding wave 2 correction, or it might be wave C in an E wave of a triangle, because also a triangle is an E wave and a triangle is an ABC structure. And the support area, ideally we don't break below 2,956. That would be a level that ideally holds, for Ether to stay in a bullish position. And yeah, obviously I cannot rule out even the B wave goes a bit higher. The higher the B wave goes, the higher the chance that the support area in yellow is holding if a C wave down unfolds. Because the main thing is that I see it as a B wave rally because it's corrective. It turned from a potential 1-2-1-2 setup or something, or a 1-2 with a third wave rally in the making, to an ABC in wave B, okay? The problem is it just broke impulsive support. So best way to count this is A, B, C in wave B. Yeah, B waves can extend, absolutely. So therefore I highlight to you here, watch the trend line. Watch the trend line, and then a break below the last swing lows here at 3,198 would indicate we're heading down into the yellow box again. We can also take the length of the A wave down, go to the top of the current B wave, and then if we talk about FIB targets, yeah, 2,950 roughly here is the 100% extension target. So if we break down from here, the price might challenge that support box, the lower boundary level, yeah, the 78.6 retracement, which ideally should be holding in a bullish scenario. So, but invalidation point, that's not invalidation. The invalidation point is here, the 5th of July low, and that's 2,800 roughly. So overall, not great price action from the last low. Could extend further. No strong sign that wave C has started. I'd like to see a trend line break next to confirm this further. That would be a signal that wave C might be underway, and then it could send the price into this Fibonacci support zone, probably rather the lower end of the box. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.